Hey Sunshines, it's Kristy and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have my Fashom box for the month of September. Now Fashom is not a clothing subscription box. They call themselves a styling service, meaning every time you want a box, you have to go in and actually request it. It's not going to be on automatic shipment every month. Now this box is $20. If you've never received it before, they do waive the styling fee. It's totally free for the first box. They used to have a $15 styling fee and just recently upped it to $20. I still feel like that's very in line with the rest of the boxes, so I didn't have a problem with that. They do send you 5 pieces of clothing, and there's a self-addressed stamped envelope in here that you can send back anything you don't like or don't want. Now, one of the draws for me with Fashom was they would give you 7 or 8 pieces. They would send it to your Fashom dashboard, and you could pick 5 pieces out of those, maybe 8, and then they would ship them in a box. Because a lot of times you'd be like, no, definitely don't send that. I feel like 8 pieces and you getting to pick 5 was a big draw for me. Let's go ahead with that said and check it out and see what's inside my box. So here is the envelope for you to send back anything you don't like or don't want. I do like Fashom. They also donate $1 to the New York, I can't remember, New York City Rescue, something like that. It is a shelter. And I like that they give back that way. So here is some information. It's my card. It's my invoice and all the pieces. So let's look. I do have a note from my stylist. It says, "Hey Kristy, thank you for styling with Fashom again. I hope you and your family are well and safe. Self-isolation can be a little lonely and crazy, so I hope these pieces will be a bright spot in your day. Based on your request for a few autumnal transitional pieces in more fall tones and neutrals with inspiration from that Instagram influencer style, these are the pieces that I truly want you to try because I believe you would like them the most. So if you buy 3 or more pieces, you're gonna get a 25% discount. And if you buy all 5, you're gonna get a 30% discount, which is amazing." So, and she's right. Sometimes the pictures, you can't really tell. You have to try them on and see them in person. So here are the colors. She definitely got my autumnal style down. I gotta tell you, fall is redhead season, so I keep asking for all the fall colors in the boxes, and that's why. It's like the time of my people. This is the Dreamers cardigan. I think you could wear it with skinny jeans. It's definitely my color, but it's definitely a long tunic length top. This color is me. Me. I love it. That top is $57, okay? Okay, the next item in here, what is this? This is a little cardigan. This is by Natural Life, and I do have several Natural Life things in my closet. I do like them. They're very soft. I haven't had any trouble with these pieces washing, wearing, shrinking. One of my favorite tops from Fashom, not this one, but it's another sweater. It's a blue sweater with some stripes on it. Oh, I wore the heck out of that thing last year, was a Natural Life. And this is a pretty olive. It's a very thin cardigan. You can kind of see through it, which is great for this area. Okay, so that's pretty long. She said that she liked it because it had the little slits on the side. So there's that. And then, did I tell you who my stylist was? Tanya. I don't think I said that. Okay, that's the Natural Life cardigan, and it's $38, so that's a nice price, right? Okay, the next item, this was the shirt that I have something similar in. I have something similar, and I don't remember if it was from Fashom. It may be. I'll have to pull it out. Now, seeing this in person, I actually really like it. So I'm glad that I got it. This is just a fun hanging around the house kind of top. Real comfortable, long. This is again by Leah Me. And this is the contrast sleeve sweater for $43. And then here are the pants. Now, these may fit me. I love the plaid. I don't know if I love the piping on the pocket, but that would work. They look like they have a straight leg. Cute with some black flats. So maybe, okay. These are the Rococo, and those are $48. They call them the Dazz, D-A-Z-Z. Okay, cute. They sent this little, this I wasn't sure about either. This is either gonna be I love or I hate, and I couldn't decide. This is like an ombre, very cute. It kind of goes from dark gray to light gray to oatmeal. pretty. I actually like the sleeve on it too. Really like easy thin sweater, which is again good. It's long. This is by a brand called Fate, which I don't think I've had before. And these are, how much is that little sweater? $54. Okay, so the whole entire box is $240, and if I bought all 5 pieces, it would be $168. So let's go ahead and try on the pieces and see what we think. I'll be right back. All right, I had to go for this little ombre shirt first because I was intrigued by it. I just put it on with some black skinny jeans that I have. I think it would work well with leggings, but what I like about it is I think if you tucked this in and did some really pretty jewelry, I think you could wear this with black dress pants and it would be gorgeous. But I like how you can kind of make it casual too. I love the little neckline of it. It's perfect for some jewelry. I left the jewelry that I had on, but I'd probably change to some silver. So this is kind of an all easy, versatile piece. I like it. Okay, let's keep going. I think it's a really pretty top. Had they just made it a little bit shorter, I think it would be fine and cute. Here are the pants. The pants actually aren't bad. They run small, medium, large. And so I'm glad that they sent me a large. I'm a little bit curvier here. And I don't think the pants are bad actually. All right, so here is the next little top. This is that Les Amis top again. Super long. It's got these cozy sort of sleeves. So this is more like casual, comfy around the house. All right, and then last they sent me this really cute cardigan, and it does have the slit up the side, which I think is cute. It's very thin. You can kind of see the white through it, but again, in the South here in Georgia, that's perfect. I really like the length of this. I'm 5'7", so not super tall, but a little taller. So I like a longer cardigan. I don't like a cardigan that kind of hits me right here where I have a stomach. I like something that gives me a longer line. I love this. So I think I'm gonna keep this cardigan. All right, stay tuned and I will be right back for the recap. Hang on. Okay, I thought they did a great job. They got my style down with this box. I'm definitely keeping some things. I love this little lightweight cardigan, especially with that cute little tank under it. So I'm gonna keep this. It's perfect for this time of year and I love olive green. I am gonna keep this ombre sweater. I thought it was really pretty. I really did. And this was one of the things that I wasn't sure on the preview. So sometimes they're right. The picture doesn't give it justice. I will go ahead again and leave my link down below. Don't forget you can get your first box styled for free, which is a great deal. And I will list all of the clothing down below in case you want to request anything. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon for another one. Bye-bye.